Good morning, students. We are going to deal with the next lines of the poem Keeping Kite. In our last lecture, we have seen in our last lecture, we have seen that the poet is saying that the fishermen are not going to create any harm for the whales. Whale is the symbol of nature. Whale is the symbol of nature. It means to say the poet wants to convey the idea that the fishermen who are always engaged in catching fish, they should stop for some moment. They should think about others. They should think about themselves. Okay, whatever the work they are doing, whether they are getting benefit from it or not, so they should stop. They should stop for some moment, and they should think about themselves. Okay, and the men who are gathering, the men who are gathering salt, they should stop for some moment, and they should look at their wound hands. Okay, next lines, the poet is saying, what is the poet is saying in the next lines. Okay, let us see and discuss about okay. There are those who prepare green wars. Those who prepare green wars. Green wars means wars, war against nature. War against nature. War against nature. War against nature. So the poet is saying in this stanza that the people who are creating war against the nature, it means to say they are cutting the trees, they are engaged in deforestation. All these people should stop. All these people should stop. Okay, once again, those who prepare green wars. Green wars is the important word. Green war is used, war against nature. War against nature. There are some people who are creating war, and these persons are creating wars against nature, and these persons should stop. These persons should stop these activity. War with gas, and there are some persons who are creating war against wars with gases. Okay, and war with fire, and wars with fire, and some persons are creating wars of fire. Wars of fire means firearms. Firearms. Okay, firearms. Some persons are creating the war of firearms. Are different kinds of war. Are different kinds of war. Kinds of war. There are different kinds of war which are created by the people. They should stop. They should think about this. Once again, those who prepare green wars, the poet is saying that there are some persons who are creating war against the nature, cutting the trees. As in earlier stanza you have seen, harming the whales. They should stop. Okay, wars with gas. Okay, and they are creating war with gas, and they are creating fire. War with fire means firearm wars, or you can say there are different kinds of war. Firearms. Okay, firearms, different kinds of war. Okay, gas, war with gas, poisonous gases. There are some persons who are creating poisonous gases war, poisonous gas war. Okay, and firearms war are different kinds of war. They should stop. They should stop. Okay, and think, because if such a war is going to be held, victory, you will get victory. Such a war is going to hell, you will get victory, but there will be no one to survive. Victory with no survivors. There will be no one to survive. There will be no one to survive. There will be no one to survive. You will get victory, obviously. If you are creating such types of war, the poet is saying that the people who are creating such types of war, as it mentioned here, if the people are creating such types of wars, so they will get victory. They will get victory, but there will be no one to survive on the earth. No one will remain on the earth to survive. All the people will die. Okay, so what is the meaning of such kinds of war? Okay, would put on clean clothes. The poet is saying that all these persons should put on clean cloth. Okay, because clean clothes will provide them freshness. Okay, clean cloth will provide them freshness, or in other word you can say some persons are working in factory, some persons are working in particular industry, particular office, they are having a particular uniform, they are having a particular uniform. So they will at this time when they will gather at one place, they will put on clean cloth, they will put on clean cloth and walk about with their brothers, and they will walk, they will walk. Okay, walk about with their brothers, this word is expressing to the togetherness, togetherness, love, affection, is affection, brotherhood, fraternity, okay, fraternity once again, and walk about with their brothers. Okay, walk about with their brothers word is expressing love, togetherness, affection, brotherhood, fraternity. Okay, and all these people who are creating wars will put on clean clothes and they will walk with their brothers in the shade of the tree, in the shade of the tree. Why? This is also shade of the tree, this is also part of nature. Okay, this is also part of nature. Nature always relax mind, nature always fresh mind, nature always provide fragrance, nature always provide fragrance. Okay, are you getting? Nature always provide all these things: fragrance, freshness, coolness, calm. Okay, so he is saying that all these people who are creating war, they will put on clean clothes and they will walk with their brothers in the shade of the tree, and they will come in the shade of the tree doing nothing. Why doing nothing? Why doing nothing? Because when you are doing no work, you will have time for self analysis, you will have time for self analysis, you will have time for self analysis, and at that time you will try to know yourself, you will try to observe yourself, you will try to develop the mutual understanding among the human beings. You will think that whatever the work that is being done by you is beneficial for the humanity or not. At that time you will think all these things. So the poet is saying that all these persons who are creating such kinds of war, that is given green wars, war with gases, poisonous gases war, and war with firearms. Okay, and if such types of war is going to be held, you will get victory. The poet is saying that you will get victory, but there will be no one to survive. And he is saying that, okay, he is saying that all these persons should put on clean clothes and they should walk with their brothers, under the shade of the tree, in the shade of the tree, and they will do nothing, and they are going to do no work. Why no work? Because when they will do no work, they will think about themselves, they will introspect themselves, they will try to develop the mutual understanding among the human beings, they will try to get that whatever the work that is being done by them is beneficial for humankind or not. Okay, next stanza. Now I am going to explain the next stanza. Okay, next stanza try to get, because a very different kind of philosophy the poet is giving in this stanza. A very different kind of philosophy the poet is giving in this stanza. What I want should not be confused. The poet is saying that when I am talking about stillness, or keeping quiet. When I am talking about stillness, keeping quiet, don't confuse with this word. What I want should not be confused. Okay, the poet is saying in this line that what I am conveying the idea, that idea should not be the cause of confusion for you with total inactivity. Don't confuse that when I am talking about stillness or keeping quiet, I am not talking about inactivity. Why? Because total inactivity always always brings death. Total inactivity always brings death. And the poet is saying that I am not dealing with the death. I am not talking about the death. Once again. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Okay, the poet is saying that whenever I am talking about the stillness, don't confuse. Don't confuse from my word stillness or keeping quiet that with total inactivity. Once again, don't confuse with my stillness word about the total inactivity, because total inactivity always brings death, and I am not talking about the total inactivity. Okay, life is what it is about. That is the most important line. Life is what it is about. What is the motto of the life? We the people always want that life should always be moving on. Life should not stop. It should always be moving on. And for that we will work. Okay, he is not forbidding to work, but he is saying that stop for some moment, observe yourself, know yourself. Life is what it is about. The poet is saying in this line that the motto of the life to make its moving on. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives, life. I want no truck with death. This life is what it is about. Life. What is the meaning of life? We always want that life should always be moving on. Okay, so this work will go on. Okay, and if we become total inactive, we will die. So life will stop there. So don't get confused that I am talking about the total inactivity. Life is what it is about. The motto of the life to make it's moving on always. Okay, I want no truck. Truck means T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Associate or deal. The poet is saying that I am not associating life to the death. The poet is saying that no truck with death. Truck, I have already told you, truck means deal or associate. So the poet is saying that I am not associating, I am not advocating, ठीक ना, I am not advocating about death, about death. I am not advocating about death. Or in other words, you can say the poet is saying that he is not associating life to the death. He is not associating life to the death. I am not associating life to the death. Okay, the poet is saying that I am not associating life to the death. I am not dealing life to the death. If we were not so single-minded, obviously you know that the man always pursue his aim. The man always pursue his aim, single-mindedly. Okay, Okay, if we were not so single-minded, so what is meaning of single-minded? Okay, the motto of the man to pursue his aim. We always pursue our aim single-mindedly. We always pursue our aim single-mindedly. And what is the aim? About keeping our lives moving. What is the aim? That we want that life should always be moving. Keep the life always moving. Okay? Keep the life always moving. And again he is saying, for once could do nothing. We should stop. We should stop, and for 1 second we are not going to do anything. We are not going to do anything. For 1 second we should stop. We are not going to do anything. We are not going to do anything. Okay, the next stanza. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. The mind is always inside. The mind is always in sadness. What about the sadness? That one day he will die. One day he will die. Or always, or maybe always he is in fear. He is always in fear that he will die. That he will die. Such kinds of fear he is having with himself always. Okay, perhaps a huge silence. Whenever we will become still, we will become silent. We will try to know ourselves. We will try to introspect ourselves, and that huge silence might interrupt this sadness. And this silence may finish this sadness. What is the sadness? The sadness is of never understanding ourselves. Okay, it is the complaint of every human being that I was unable to understand myself. I was unable to understand myself. So the poet is saying that this huge silence may finish this sadness that we have never understood ourselves. We have never understood ourselves and of creating ourselves with them, and we are always afraid that one day we will die, and we are always afraid that one day we will die. So this sadness, what is the sadness? Of never understanding ourselves and always in the fear, are always in the fear of death. This sadness will finish. When it will finish? When we will become silent, when we will become still, when we will try to know ourselves, when we will try to observe ourselves, when we will try to introspect ourselves. Once again, the poet is saying that perhaps it is his guess, it is the guess of the poet, it is the guess of the poet that whenever all the people will become silent, whenever all the people will become silent, they will sit silently, and that silence might interrupt this sadness, and that silence may finish the sadness. This sadness, what is the sadness? The sadness is that of never understanding ourselves. Okay, this sadness may be finished by the silence, and we are always fear about death. We are always afraid about the death. We are always afraid of the death. Okay, and whenever you will keep silent, when you will become still, and this stillness will finish the sadness of never understanding ourselves, and as we are always afraid of death. Next stanza, or you can say the last stanza. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Here is the question. How can the earth teach us? The earth can teach us how to live on it. The earth can teach us how to live on it. Okay, the earth can teach us how to live on it, and the things are the seeds which we throw in the earth. In starting, it seems dead, but after some time, it comes to life. It means to say, from inside, the earth is alive. And having power to give the life, So the earth can teach us. Once again, perhaps the earth can teach us. How can earth teach us? Earth can teach us how to live on it. The earth can teach us how to live on it. For example, as we throw a seed, any seed in the earth, in starting it seems dead. But after some time it comes to life. It means to say the earth is alive inside. The earth is alive from inside and having the power to give life. So earth can teach us. As when the poet has also given, as when everything seems dead, the seeds which you throw in the earth, in starting it seems dead. It seems that those seeds are dead, and later proves to be alive. But after some time comes to life. Okay. Or you can say only the earth remains alive. Only the earth remains alive when everything seems dead. Okay, only the earth remains alive when everything seems dead. Now I will count to 12. Now I will count to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. The poet is saying that now I am going to count 12 and I have told you what is the meaning of 12 and you keep quiet and you the people will keep quiet and I am leaving the poem. I am leaving the poem. I am going. I am leaving the poem. Okay, that is the explanation of the poem Keeping Quiet. After that we will go through comprehension and the question answer. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.